The Frigidaire EFR182 Mini Fridge offers a compact size with 1.6 cubic feet of storage, making it ideal for both home and office use. Its sleek stainless steel finish and invisible door handle provide a stylish addition to any decor. This mini fridge features a small freezer compartment that is perfect for making ice cubes or storing small snacks. The adjustable mechanical temperature control allows for precise cooling, ensuring that your beverages and produce stay fresh. With a reversible door and adjustable legs, it provides flexibility in placement to suit any space constraints. The energy-efficient compressor cooling system is environmentally friendly and helps to keep energy consumption low.